Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Oracle VM VirtualBox 7.0.18. That is the latest version available for download for Windows. Okay, now go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter. Click on downloads. See here we have the downloads for Windows, Mac, Linux distributions and Solar. And first we will install the VirtualBox, then we will install the extension pack. Okay, so click on Windows host. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 105 megabytes. Now click on this exe file to install the VirtualBox. Click on it. Click on next. See, this is the directory for VirtualBox installation. Click on next. Click on S. Click on S. Click on install. It's a straightforward installation. See, we have successfully installed. So if you want to start, click on the checkbox as it is and click on finish. Select the checkbox as it is and click on finish. See, this is the VirtualBox manager. Now install the extension packages. Okay, so click on this all supported platforms. See, it has downloaded. Go to downloads. Click on this extension package. Click on it. Click on install. Scroll down, then click on agree. See, we have successfully installed Oracle VM VirtualBox extension package. Okay, so we have successfully installed Oracle VM VirtualBox and extension package. Okay, now go to home. Now if you want to create a virtual machine, you have to click on new or select machine and select new. Both are same. Once we select new, then here you have to provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the path and you have to select the ISO file. At present I don't have any ISOs. Okay, so this is the way to create virtual machine. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox and its extension package on Windows Server. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.